Coconut oil and lemon mixture, it turns grey hair back to its natural colour. Do you know what's the main reason for grey hair? Let me explain this for you. There are pigment cells located at the base of each hair follicle. And these pigment cells are responsible for the colour of your hair. And as you grow older, these pigment cells die and become less efficient. Well, this effective remedy can prevent grey hair by nourishing your scalp and protecting the base of your hair follicles. So if your base and pigment cells are healthier, this means that you'll be able to avoid grey hair much longer. Grey hair, most common causes. Grey hair, this problem can be caused by factors like hormonal imbalance, hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism malnutrition, nutritional deficiency, using electric dryers and concentrated hair dyes, as well as genetic disorders, chemotherapy and radiation. We all know that there are many different types of hair dyes on the market today, which are very useful in colouring your grey hair. Well, the good thing about these hair dyes is that they will colour your grey hair, but the bad thing about them is that they are loaded with chemical substances and they can damage your hair, so your best option is to use all natural products. The best natural remedy for grey hair, well, this means one thing: if you have grey hair and you wish to bring back its natural colour, then you should definitely try this homemade remedy. There are many different home remedies for this purpose, but this is the most effective one. As we mentioned before, the harsh chemicals found in commercial hair care products can leave your hair flat, dry and damaged. You should definitely try this natural home remedy. And the best thing about this remedy is that you need two simple ingredients: coconut oil and lemon juice. Yes, that's it. Ingredients. Coconut oil. Well, there is no doubt that this super healthy ingredient is extremely useful and beneficial for your skin and your hair. It's extremely useful when it's used both topically, and there are many benefits you get from eating coconut oil as well. Coconut oil has powerful antimicrobial properties, and it's loaded with lauric acid and medium chain fatty acids that will strengthen your hair and reverse its natural colour. And when it comes to lemon juice, the doctors recommend it because it contains good amounts of vitamin B, C and phosphorus, which nourishes the hair and treats the cause of grey hair. As we said, this homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: coconut oil, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Directions. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. You just have to mix 3 teaspoons of lemon juice with some coconut oil. Then you should apply this mixture on your hair and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour. Wash it out and then shampoo your hair with a mild shampoo. You should repeat this process every week. You should also know that if you use coconut oil every week, it will help you get rid of dandruff forever. And if you mix coconut oil with lukewarm water and castor oil, you can also use to treat and prevent dandruff. Massage the scalp and hair with this mixture, and trust me, you will be amazed by the results.